Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Ideapad 530S. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that the screen on your Lenovo Ideapad 530S is cracked, you're not alone. This often happens due to accidental drops or pressure on the screen. Ignoring this issue can lead to further damage and make it increasingly difficult to use your laptop effectively, so it's best to address it sooner rather than later. For this repair, you will need a set of small screwdrivers, a plastic opening tool, a suction cup, and a replacement screen. Make sure to have a clean workspace and possibly some tweezers handy to assist with small components. To begin, power off your Lenovo Ideapad 530S and unplug it from any power source. Carefully use the plastic opening tool to pry open the casing around the screen. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic clips holding it together. Once you've loosened the casing, you can lift it off to expose the screen assembly underneath. The cracked screen is usually connected by a few screws. Locate these screws on the sides of the screen. You may need to remove a bezel first, which is the plastic frame surrounding the screen. Remove the screws carefully, keeping track of them as you'll need them for reassembly. Once the screws are out, gently disconnect the screen from the motherboard by carefully lifting the cable connector. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your new screen and connect it to the motherboard. Ensure the connection is secure before replacing the screws to hold the screen in place. Once the new screen is fitted, replace the bezel and snap the casing back into place, ensuring all clips are properly engaged. Finally, power on your device to check that the new screen is functioning correctly. If everything looks good, congratulations, you've successfully replaced your screen. To prevent this problem from occurring again, consider using a protective case or a screen protector to shield your device from accidental damage. Additionally, always handle your laptop with care and avoid placing heavy objects on top of it. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.